Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art Indulgence. Today I am going to show you my kitchen makeover. Kitchen is a place where we spend our maximum time of the day, so it should be a happy place. Earlier this space was my craft room, so this area is always a happy place for me. My kitchen area is quite spacious. It is around 18 feet by 10 feet. Please watch the video till end. I will show you how I have arranged my spices, my crockery sets, everything. Starting from one corner, this is my cup rack. It is very sturdy and this is for my daily use cups. This is electric water heater. I have given a specific socket to it because we need to heat the water most of the times in a day. And these are my three ceramic containers with tray and individual spoons. These I have specially bought for ghee, butter and salt. Next, I have arranged one more tray with two glass containers. One is having garam masala and roasted cumin powder, and last one is my oil dispenser. These six things are most oftenly used in my kitchen, so I have put them on the platform only. Now I will show you my chimney. This chimney is set on an angle. It is of different type and it is hand motion sensor operated. My son is showing you how this is sensor operated. He has just waved his hand and chimney has turned on. Same system is to turn off the chimney. Just wave your hand in the opposite direction and it will turn off. It has two suction motors, left and right. You can increase or decrease the speed of individual motors. There is a touch screen switches on the upper hand of the chimney. The company's name is CAF, KAFF. Now, starting from the shelves at the right hand corner, these are my Tupperware containers. These are very space saving containers. I bought them from Amazon. Same type of one more shelf is there. There are two units. On the rightmost on the shelf only, I have kept a juicer, mixer, and blender with individual sockets. Specific allotted place for appliances makes them easy to use. These are dispensers I bought for cornflakes, chocos, or muesli, but it is of no use. Please don't buy this. Cereals become soggy as they don't have tight lids. Now turning to the opposite side, I have a platform on the opposite side. Also, this I use for mainly making cakes. This is my rotating masala box. At the other corner of this platform, I am having my griller, toaster and electric tandoor. They are all set at a particular place, which makes works easier for me. Just beside the appliances, I have kept my OTG and microwave in a tall unit. Actually, this place was for a frizz, but I have put my frizz outside the kitchen in the hall. I will show you later. And these are the shelves made of acrylic panels only. And this is my wash area. And these are acrylic panels, not the wooden ones. And they have tandem arrangements, means they're hydraulically operated. This is a rack for cutleries and knives and all. And this is for plates and all. It has two steel racks for smaller and bigger plates. Other racks are simple without any attachments. And now I will show you how I keep my masalas. This I have bought from Amazon. This was a condiment container, but I liked it for the masalas. You can see this is having a tray and they are totally crystal clear. Some masalas which need to be put in airtight containers. For these, I have bought glass jars, small glass jars, and this is my masala rack just below my gas stove. I have kept them just below the gas stove because I don't have to take out every container. What I just have to do, just open the lid and use the masalas. I have normal steel masala box, my glass containers, my sprinklers, and that crystal clear container. Now I will show you my tissue box. This is having all the tissue and extra packet masalas I have just kept in the frizz. Now I will show you my crockery area. Just above the second platform, you can see there are 4 transparent sections, 3 above the platform and 1 in the tall unit. And this first section is dedicated for my bowls, or these are dinner set bowls, the serving bowls, and the soup bowls. These are my soup bowls having some traditional designs, giving the terracotta look, and these are the soup spoons just kept beside that. All these collections are just for parties because I love gathering people and making new dishes. You can see 2 boat shaped serving bowls. Let's go to the second section, which I have dedicated for the plates. This is one serving tray uh, in the form of a leaf. And these are my dinner set plates, just newly bought, so I have not removed the stickers. I just liked the design because it was a little different from the other ones. And this is my third section above the platform dedicated to glasses and cups. You can see shot glasses which I have used for kulfi and all. For pan shots, you can see one of my video, and these are my special cups. Whenever I go to other countries, I am just having the habit of buying coffee mugs and frizz magnets. I will show you. This is my Nanad Bhabhi cup given by my Bhabhi. This cup is containing pic of our reception, our wedding reception. Pic of my in-laws with my husband and me. This character I think is Goofy, which I have brought from USA. Next one is Winnie the Pooh from Thailand airport. Next one is from Bali, Indonesia. Actually, there were 2 of this kind. Now one is broken. You can see Bali written here. And now I will show you my favorite one. This is from Madame Tussauds, London. The embossing is so good in it, and its size is also big, containing more liquid. You can see Madame Tussauds written here. My coffee mugs selection were very broad, but now they are all broken. And these for the kiddos from the time of World Cup. You can see the symbol of cup and bat. And this was from Universal Studios Hollywood. You can see the price tag of USA and Canada over here. So done with the all 3 sections of glass unit. Now this is the 4th section on the tall unit. Now there is no space left for the refrigerator in the kitchen, so I have put it in the hall just beside the kitchen door. I have a habit of collecting frizz magnets wherever I go. I will show you some. This is from Kanha, Holland, Bali, China, Malaysia. This is from London, California. And this one from Rome. And these are different shaped frizz magnets used for kiddos for playing. They make different shape from this, and I will show you some. This is from New York and Leaning Tower of Pisa. Actually, I wanted to fix it with the magnet and clay, but it became too heavy and it was not sustaining the weight. The frizz was not sustaining the weight, so I just kept it above the frizz only. This refrigerator I have newly bought, and the older one I have kept in the room. In total, I am getting about around 650 to 700 liters in total fridge capacity. Now I will show you the overhead cabinets in the kitchen. They are too spacious. And finally, these are the kitchen mats I have bought from the Maison. So I hope you all will like this video, and please just like, share, comment. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much.